Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and today we are going to be folding and doing some laundry. But first things first, I am making myself the best cup of coffee ever. If you are always on the run and on the go like myself, you must try this coffee. It is so simple and I usually put the bottle in my book bag and take it to work with me. I will put the link in the description box as well as my discount code. Now let's go over to my sitting room, watch some sports while I'm doing some laundry. On this day, I filmed on Sunday and there were 3 soccer games, the World Cup, and also football games. So I also had a lot of paperwork I'm planning to do for the week, and this is how I got it done. I relax, I enjoy myself as I tackle my laundry. Tell me, when you have a lot of things to do, how do you tackle your laundry? Leave me a comment in the description down below. Here I am in my son's room. I'm putting away his clothing and then we are gonna head back to the laundry room to start my clothing cycles. I am so glad you came over my home to do some laundry and folding on this day. This video is in collaboration with an amazing group of content creators, and we bring this kind of content to you every single month. Charmaine Rosalie and Sham Life with Becky are 2 content creators that came up with the brilliant idea of bringing this sort of motivation to you every month. Through them, I have met such an amazing group of content creators from all around the world, from South Africa to the UK, from Australia all the way to the United States. You name it, and we have come together once a month to bring you this kind of motivation. Make sure that you support each one of them. It doesn't cost you anything, and all you have to do after you finish watching my video, go ahead and hit the playlist that is going to be posted in the description box, and make sure you leave them a comment letting them know that Mariana sent you over. Folding the kitchen towels that I had left in the dryer from the day after Thanksgiving. Tell me, do you usually leave stuff in the dryer and then forget that it's there, and when you go to do a laundry cycle on any random day you find out that, oops, I have stuff in the dryer sitting there from long ago? This is my last load for the day, and we are about to head back upstairs, sit down, watch more sports, and do some more folding. But before you leave, see if you could spot the elf on the shelf and leave me a comment down below. Make sure you have your notification bells on because this month I have a lot of fun content that I am creating for you, and I cannot wait to share it with you, and I wouldn't want you to miss it. I love having you over here in my home. I pray that you find comfort and motivation, and also that you find a friend here that is just relatable. And for that, my friend, until next video, I am reaching over, I am giving you a hug, and please don't forget to go ahead and check out the other content creators by hitting the playlist in the description box. Until my next video, see you, stay cozy, and have a good one. Bye bye.